Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me are BaseUs Bowie MA10 and I'm going to show you how to easily pair them with your Android app. Let's get started. First we have to remove our headphones from our case, because we have them to connect with our phone. We can leave the lid open. Now we have to open our app. Accept our user agreement and privacy policy and click Start Now. Now we have to enter guest mode if we don't want to sign up, and now we have to click Accept because there are location permissions, and we have to allow. Now we have to click plus to add the device, click Agree, allow, and wait a moment. As you can see, our Bowie MA10 are found. We have to click on them and click Add Device. Now our device is added. That's it. Goodbye.